Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to be an Instacart shopper. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now to be an Instacart shopper, what you need to do is simply head over and download the app. Head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon, and then on the search bar type in Instacart, and then once it loads, tap on the app and download the app. Now once you download the app, open up your app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well if you have it, and if you don't have it, sign up for a new account. Now once you're logged in order to be an Instacart shopper, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now once you are here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down, and then under the Instacart business you'll be finding an option that says convert to a business account or connect a business account. If you already have an account, what you need to do is simply tap on this connect a business account, and then once again tap on this connect a business account, and then here you need to log into your ID and then fill in the business informations that are required to successfully link your business. But if you don't have a business account, what you need to do is tap on this convert to business account, and then once you are here, scroll down, tap on convert. Now here you'll be asked for confirmation account conversion. Simply tap on convert account, and then you'll be able to successfully be an Instacart shopper. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.